So my question is, if you have used different design tools, my simple question for you is, what is the difference between vector graphics and raster graphics? See, both the images on the left and right are same, but the left one is vector, the right one is raster. If you zoom in on the vector, you'll see there is no loss of quality. On the right side, if you zoom on the raster image, you'll see it is getting pixelated. That you will see in a lot of images which are JPG, PNG, BMP, because they are composed of pixels. And if you enlarge pixels, if you zoom in on pixels, it will look pixelated, obviously. But on the other side, the vector images or vector graphics are composed of paths and points. So whatever zoom level you are zooming in, it will not lose the quality because it is not dependent on the pixel. For example, SVG, EPS, AI. So you use for raster images, you use basically Photoshop. For vector images, you use basically Illustrator for vector images, right? For graphic design. Now, when we come to UX design, when we come to that user interface design, now here we are talking about, we want to design screens and we want to design scalable elements in the screen that we can reuse also later. So we'll be talking about primarily vector type of graphics when we are working on user interface design tools. So all the things, the buttons, the cards, the different panels, they are all vectors. They are all rectangles, right?